evening, teachers. Good evening, judges. This is Renuka Suresh. I'm representing the Nagarbavi branch. Yes, our game, Satya ma'am. Yes, come on.
Hi everyone. Very good evening to everyone here. We are from K2 teachers we are representing Nagarbavi branch. And coming to ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, sure.
Our name of our game is Let's Make a Story All Together. This is a group activity game actually. We will involve almost, because we are having two teachers, we can involve like a groups. We can make all into some four groups, and two teachers can involve. And once one group finish, they will be doing some activity that I will explain. Coming to the this is a K2 level, K2 literacy game, and the age group is 4 to 6 years. The materials used here are just picture cards. Whatever we have in our literacy kit, we can use the same cards and a chalk and a board. Cost is definitely no cost at all. And this will be used as a recap of all kind of words. Words, because we are going to words today, we have taken that as an example. Coming to the objective of our game, this will improve the cognitive skills like thinking. Whatever they have learned, the kids children learned in the class, they have to think, and they have to recap, and they have to remember, and they have to read. All this process we will include in our game. It also supports the language development of the children, and that too definitely in a fun manner. Okay, as I said, today we are going to take words an example. Renuka ma'am, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. Satya ma'am, I think you forgot to add another point, which is this is applicable for both the physical and online classes. Activity for physical and online classes. And also I want to add one more thing is that actually since I'm teaching K2 level children, I've taken as an example. This activity can be used, this game can be used for grade 1 level also. And not only words, you can use this for any recap or any other words. I will just use words as an example, that's all. Yeah, here comes my game. This is a group activity. Teacher will be making, see, it depends on the strength of the children. Teacher will be making groups, and yeah, I'll explain it. Yeah, here I've taken 4 groups. Teacher will be making 4 groups. The children will be called. For example, in a group, there are 4 children. The children will be called. I'll explain how the game goes. The children will be called, and we will give clues to the children. Here, the children have to think and understand the clue what the teacher has given. And the clue is, the first picture is like, I will not show the pictures initially. I go here to buy groceries is my clue. And the child thinks here, like, where do I go to buy groceries? Yeah, it is shop. Shop. Since I'm recapping the words here, so it is shop. Yes, and the picture cards are also shown to the children, are displayed to the children. They can even pick up one picture card of shop, and they have to decode the word shop, and they have to frame a sentence on that. Yes, now I've already started teaching sentences to my children. My K2 children have already started reading sentences. Now I go to shop with my mother. I know the children cannot form a beautiful sentence, but still my children, however they are framing a sentence, I appreciate them. And any grammatical mistakes, I will surely correct them. And I will make a note. If it is an online class, on a whiteboard, I'll make a note of the sentence, whatever my child is telling. Otherwise, I might make some changes in the sentence and make it. Can it be like this, child? I will tell like that, and I will do it. The next clue is that this animal is only in water. So the child may tell some other animal. And if the child needs help, I can show them the picture cards also. Oh, yes, fish. Fish. So the child can give any sentence. I like the golden color fish. I'm taking an example of this sentence. Yes, the child has a liberty to say any sentence for that case. The third clue what I'm giving is you use this to paint your house, to paint your books, whatever it is. The child immediately when I say paint, the child may tell palette or brush. Since brush is a sh word, I'll emphasize more on that and write brush there. The child gives, I paint my drawings with my brush. Similarly, the child 4 comes, it sails on the water is my clue. The child says ship or boat. Since boat is not a sh word, I will take ship as an example. The child has given, I went on a ship, maybe on holiday, whatever the child tells. I will change the sentence and write it. Here, task for them here is, whatever the sentences I have written on my board will be, like I'll make it a small paragraph for them. I go to shop with my mother to buy some paints and I paint my drawings with my brush. Since the two sentences are very different, I can even use, I went on a ship during holidays and there I saw many fishes. I like the golden color fish. This is what the sentence and the short paragraph which I have made I have made it by the sentences which my children have given. Here the task for them is identify sight words. This is like a recap and they can they can identify the sight words from the paragraph. This is what the last task for them. Here I want my children to I want all my children to participate in my class. Even the child who doesn't know to decode also have to participate. It's a group activity and it's mandatory. I will be giving chance to everyone. In case if the child is not able to form a sentence or maybe decoding, the teacher is going to help the child to do it. At last but not the least, there are some outcomes in this.